All right, ladies and gentlemen, now where I am now is at the Veronica Lighting Company, and we can tell from their booth decoration, it's full of the environment of festival. Now let's go into invite someone professional to tell us more about their production. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce some products for you. Let's have a look at my left-hand side. This is what we call is the firecracker lights. We can put it in the Christmas tree or even the trees outdoor our buildings or constructions. It's a good way to tell the phenomenon of festivals. So it can lengthen any height length if you want. And this one is also called phenomenon street lights. We can circle it on our tree or any decoration plants that you want, and it can change the color as you like. And we can also put the chips, the light bulb in different lengths. These are very popular in the foreign markets, especially in the Western market. Now let's go into see more. Wow, we can see so many lights are shining here. These are very suitable for our camping. Whenever we're going camping, during the night, we can put some lights in here. So it will give us a perfect phenomenon and enjoy the camping with our family. And we can see there are so many shapes. We get the stars of different colors, small, big star, or even the smaller stars. And also, we can get the ball right here, and also something like our crystal lights right here. So it might be suitable if you go camping with your family. And let's go down a little bit. We can see there is some stars shining to us. This is what we call is the long decoration light. This can be applied into the outdoor activities. For example, if you get a wedding, it will be your best choice. All right, now let's go into see something more. Let's look at right here. It looks like a curtain. I just wonder, how does it work? Because we get the shape, we get the pattern, we get a picture on it. Even though it is bright right now, but we can change a little bit. If you want to change the color, if you want to change the pattern of it, you can use your mobile phone, use the apps to smart control. It's very functionable. All right, so let's move on to another one. Let's go. Because I'm just curious about this one, because sometimes I found it looks like a spider or a jellyfish, but actually it's the firework light. This light can be perfectly decorate your house, your phenomenon, and during the Christmas or during the every kind of festival, because this stream is transparent and you can put every chips, every light bulbs right here as you want, and the shapes is adjustable. You can change the shape as you want. Maybe sometimes you want to put it down, or maybe sometimes you want to put it up a little bit. So it's very flexible, and it also can bring you the best phenomenon during the holidays. All right, that is so much about my introduction of the Brooklyn Lighting Company. Their products are very attractive. I hope you can enjoy it. And if you got interest in our product and our company, do remember to leave a message below and we'll come to you. Or scan the QR code at the end of the video. See you.